Hi everyone and welcome back to the Dubai Expat YouTube channel. On my channel I will be sharing videos about Dubai, traveling and watches with you. If you like my videos, it would be great if you subscribe to the channel. So guys, today we follow up our Casio G-Shock shopping experience with the full unboxing and review of the watch for you. This is the first G-Shock for me, as I only owned a 1998 Baby G at the age of 10 that my grandpa bought me. It is somehow an incredible feeling coming back to the brand after 20 years of absence, but it definitely feels good. At the time I went to school, the G-Shock watches were the hottest things out there a 10-year-old boy could own. Everyone wanted one to wear it at school. I think this was one of the coolest gadgets you could own until the mobile phones became more common and accessible for younger generations. Let's start with the unboxing. As you know, I bought this watch at the G-Shock flagship store in downtown Dubai. Unfortunately, the watch is quite expensive in Dubai and comes at a price tag of $155. I didn't receive any discounts on the watch, and I think you can get it much cheaper at around $100 if you search on the usual web shops. Many websites say this watch is limited. The store told me it is not, but it is their best-selling watch by far. The reference of this watch is GA-2110SU-3A. The watch comes in a small paper card box. Inside we find a metal watch box, the warranty manual and warranty card, inside the metal box we have the watch manual and the watch protected well by foam and some plastic wrap. And here's the watch, guys. Let's remove the stickers and hang tag. First, some data for you. The watch has an accuracy of ±15 seconds a month, shows the time with an hour and a minute hand, and has in addition a digital display that shows you the seconds and the date. It features a digital calendar that is pre-programmed until 2099. The watch can show the world time of 48 cities or 31 time zones. Has a stopwatch included that measures at 0.01 seconds below 1 hour and at 1 second above 1 hour of time measurement. It has a measuring capacity of 24 hours and can measure in elapsed time, split time and 2 finish times. Next, we have a countdown timer that measures in 1 second units and has a countdown range of 24 hours. The watch can set 5 daily alarms and an hourly time signal if you like. The display is illuminated by a double LED and we have applied lume to the hands. The watch is powered by 2 silver oxide batteries type SR726W that should run for around 3 years. The watch is water resistant up to 20 bars, so you can do all kinds of water sports with it, and you could even go diving with the watch if you want. The case diameter is 45.5 millimeters. The lug to lug length is 47.5 millimeters. The height of the watch is 11.8 millimeters. The strap is 25 millimeters at the watch and tapers nicely down to 18 millimeters at the pin buckle. The weight of the watch is very light, it is around 50 grams only. The case back is made out of brushed stainless steel, and inside we have a carbon core guard that allows Casio to make the watch so slim while keeping the high shock resistance and sturdy design. So after explaining you the watch and its features, let's speak about the design and how it wears. The watch had a super successful launch and still everyone I know loves it. Many link it to the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak because of the similar shape of the case with the octagonal form. By that it received its nickname, the G-Oak or Casio Oak. In addition, it is the slimmest watch G-Shock ever produced, what definitely makes it more appealing to a broader target group. Still, it has a bold design with its thick hour markers, the sharp hands and the integrated digital display, camo colors and a design that could be copied from a stealth fighter. This watch gives a statement that you are well prepared for every situation. Would I say it is a copy of the Royal Oak? Of course not. Not even of the Royal Oak Offshore, which is much more bolder. The G-Shock is a class in its own, and only because it has an octagonal bezel, it is not linked to the Royal Oak for me. Some wrist shots of the watch for you. And going for a swim with the watch. So what can I say, guys? It feels like coming home to your old friends after you lived abroad for a long time. Everything aged well, the watch is as innovative and fresh in design as it was 20 years ago. I love it and will take it with me to many adventures that I will be sharing with you in the future. I hope you liked the review. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to the channel and hopefully see you next week in another episode of my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think of the watch. Do you own already one, or are you going to get one as well? And by that, see you next week, stay safe and bye bye.